Hello everyone, if you're facing this error in Roblox Error Code 404, something went wrong, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on your Roblox. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to search for Cloudflare Warp. You're going to go into this link, you're going to download this software up and install it. And once you're done with installing it, you're going to open it up. And then you're going to come here, you're going to click onto this settings icon. You're going to make sure it's set to 1.1.1.1 with warp and then enable it. And after you enable it, now you can go ahead and try to play Roblox and you'll see that you won't get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.